Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache on iPhone. So guys, if you want to clear cache on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to apps and then scroll it below and go to Safari and now scroll it below all the way, and from here you have to simply tap on clear history and website data, and from here you have to simply clear this, and after this go back, and in this way you can clear cache of your browser, and after this go back. And now if you want to clear the cache of your apps, you have to simply go to general settings and then go to iPhone storage, and from here if you want to clear cache of any app, then you have to simply tap on that app, and after this you have to simply offload that app, and after this reinstall app again. So guys, simply do this and this will clear the cache of the apps from here. And the last and third way is that you have to simply force restart your device for one time to clear cache on your iPhone. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this the cache will be cleared on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.